see. Got one person behind me. And we are gone. Smashing in the fog, not knowing what's in front of me. Little sketchy, but just taking this beautiful scenery, guys. The fog in the water, just epic. Oh, just gonna put some of this in because I got about a half tank. Guess while I'm here, I can show you my boat. All right, so up front, just put on this new Minn Kota Edge. I got it, actually got it used. Got a pretty good deal on it. I think I paid like $120 or something for it. But that was pretty easy to mount in there. Got a Hummingbird up front, Helix 5. Got all my bait casters in here. And then when we come up here, this is a 2008, so I mean, it's rip seats, a couple stains. I smoke cigarettes. You guys shouldn't, but cigarette burns, but you know, I have fun in this boat and it's used. And that was another thing, you know, if I bought a used one, if something happened, like a cigarette burn or ripping the seat, I wasn't gonna be as pissed off as I would have been, you know, if I had a new boat. Anyways, you know, I'm not sponsored, but I look like I'm sponsored. Okay, what do we got in this one? We got hooks, we got mystery tackle box stuff. I am a subscriber to Mystery Tackle Box, as you can tell. But I mean, I got everything in here. I got stuff I haven't even used. So I saw this at Goodwill, and I'm waiting for a video to do this, open this up, but I'm hesitant. But I got a bunch of crap in here. So that's that one. And here, got some rod storage. Gotta fix this, but you know, it's no wait. Motor runs great, so I can't complain. Got vests. I can actually store a lot of rods in there. I could probably store, I think when I go musky fishing, I probably put 3 or 4 in there, you know. So that's that. Then in this one, you know, more vests. Got a grill, propane grill, paper plates, navigation lights, GoPro pole for when we go musky fishing and we want to get those underwater shots. Yeah, you know, here we got the seats. These all fold up. There's storage underneath. Kind of seat storage, paperwork, all that stuff. In the back, we got the live well. Haven't put any fish in here. I usually throw the fish back, so you can see a couple of empty containers. Usually ends up being the beer storage. Got the batteries, the gas, all that crap in here. This is just like day storage, just kind of whatever. You know, I got pliers, any kind of tools I might need. Pretty much anything and everything, chargers, scales, wallet. Other side, we got, this is probably where I keep all my worms and stuff, so I pull them off my wall in the house, and you know, I got some braid. I pretty much only throw braid unless it's on my ultralight tackle. You know, I got some assorted hooks, miscellaneous stuff. So yeah, I mean, that's my 08 Basstracker. I do love it. I do love this boat. I got a 60 on the back, 4-stroke. Just quiet, man. She purrs. Turn that on for you. Love it. Yeah. Pier, you know, this is where all the magic happens too. Everything, you know. Just love this boat. It's pretty quiet. It is almost 10 o'clock. Ew, that doesn't look too great. Looks like that might be heading for us. So I might be getting off the water here pretty quick. It darkened up real fast. I was fishing over there. I kind of came out to the middle of the lake, kind of give you the boat tour. So yeah, I'm gonna head back in, guys, and I might go mountain biking or something. The fish bite's kind of not happening. Been out here an hour and a half. Haven't even gotten any bites, so. But definitely showing you guys the boat tour. Oh yeah, one more thing. I got the speaker. Got to have a speaker. I thought about putting in a system, you know, like a CD player, speakers and everything, and I still might, but that works just fine. I didn't want to run the risk of maybe draining one of my batteries, so I figured better just to buy a Bluetooth. It's pretty loud too, so. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this, and see you next time. Peace. Loading your boat, be confident, just like this. Fellers. Yeah, that's kind of crooked.